In front of me is MEIZU mBlu 21, and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock. Begin by opening settings and scrolling down to click on security and privacy. Then scroll again to hit device unlock and tap on face and fingerprint unlock over here. Now it's time to enter your current screen lock and tap on face unlock section. Hit more at the bottom right corner and I agree also at the bottom right corner. Now after hitting start, keep your face in frame and follow all of the instructions from your screen. Then hit done at the bottom right corner and go back. So now when I switch off my screen and turn it back on, I can see that face unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!